Committee on Women, Children, Family Relations, and Gender Equality. But it seems that Alice Guo is only the tip of an iceberg. Kung tamang binahagi sa amin na intelligence information noong executive session a few weeks ago at kanina lamang din, this committee hearing is in the process of uncovering a deep and deadly web of bad actors involving international criminal syndicates, local and national politicians, and perhaps malevolent elements of a foreign state. Nakakalula ang impormasyon na aming natatanggap. Kaya sa palagay ko po, ay mahalaga na ibalangkas ng maayos. Una po, let us tackle head-on this issue of the identity ni Alice Guo. Si Alice Guo po ay nagpadala ng excuse letter sa ating komite dahil hindi daw siya makakadalo. This is truly unfortunate dahil ang dami po niyang kailangang sagutin sa atin. Itatanong ko sana sa kanya para diretsahan niya sagutin. Pero papakita ko na lang ngayon dahil sobra ako nabigla dito. As has already been reported, Alice Guo's Chinese identity appears to be Guo Haping.
Copy is an infallible science of identification. Hindi nagkakamali. No? At conclusive ito sa court, sa lahat. No two persons have the same fingerprints, even twins.
According to the fingerprint analysis of the NBI, the embattled mayor and Chinese national Guo Huaping are one and the same person.